Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the world of car polishers. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to maintain that showroom shine or a professional detailer seeking the best tools for the job, finding the right car polisher can make all the difference. Have you ever wondered which car polisher stands out from the rest? Or which one offers the best value for your money? Stay tuned as we reveal our top picks for the best car polishers on the market. Starting off our list at number 7 is the BLACK+DECKER Buffer Polisher. This tool is perfect for beginners or those who need a reliable option for occasional use. One of its standout features is its ease of use, thanks to its lightweight design and ergonomic handle that reduces fatigue during extended polishing sessions. The BLACK+DECKER Buffer Polisher operates at a single speed of 4,400 orbits per minute, which is ideal for applying wax and polishing paint surfaces. While it may not offer variable speed control like some of its more advanced counterparts, its simplicity makes it a great choice for those new to car detailing. In terms of build quality, this polisher is sturdy and durable, with a 10-inch foam applicator that provides even coverage across large surfaces. It's also equipped with a two-handle design that enhances control and precision during use. This polisher is particularly effective for applying wax and buffing out light scratches and swirl marks, making it a practical tool for maintaining your vehicle's finish. Its compact size also makes it easy to store when not in use. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER Buffer Polisher is an excellent entry-level option that combines affordability with functionality. It's perfect for car owners looking to keep their vehicles in top condition without investing in more expensive equipment. Next up at number 6 is the BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. This innovative tool offers the convenience of cordless operation, allowing you to move freely around your vehicle without being tethered to an outlet. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing ample runtime for most detailing tasks. One of the key features of the BATOCA polisher is its versatility. It comes with multiple speed settings ranging from 2,000 to 4,500 RPM, enabling you to tailor the speed to suit different surfaces and polishing needs. This makes it suitable for both light polishing and more intensive buffing tasks. The BATOCA polisher is designed with an ergonomic grip and lightweight construction, making it comfortable to use over extended periods. Its compact size also allows you to reach tight spots and intricate areas with ease. This polisher includes various attachments such as foam pads and microfiber bonnets, enhancing its versatility further by allowing you to tackle different detailing jobs effectively. Whether you're applying wax or removing oxidation, this tool has you covered. The cordless feature combined with its powerful performance makes the BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher an excellent choice for those who value mobility and convenience in their detailing routine. At number 5, we have the AVID Power Buffer Polisher. This versatile tool is designed for both beginners and experienced detailers alike, offering a range of features that make it stand out in its category. It boasts a powerful motor capable of delivering speeds between 1,500 and 6,800 RPM, providing ample power for various polishing tasks. One of the highlights of the AVID Power Polisher is its variable speed control dial, which allows users to adjust the speed according to their specific needs. This flexibility ensures optimal results whether you're working on delicate surfaces or tackling more stubborn imperfections. The ergonomic design of this polisher includes a rubberized grip that enhances comfort during use while reducing vibrations that can lead to fatigue. Additionally, its lightweight construction ensures easy handling and maneuverability around your vehicle. The AVID Power Buffer Polisher comes with an array of accessories including foam pads and wool bonnets, making it suitable for waxing, buffing, and removing defects from your car's paintwork. These attachments are easy to swap out depending on your task at hand. Overall, this polisher offers excellent value for money with its combination of power, versatility, and user-friendly features. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to achieve professional quality results without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Chemical Guys BUF503X TORQX Orbital Polisher. Known for their high-quality detailing products, Chemical Guys have crafted a polisher that lives up to their reputation by delivering exceptional performance and reliability. The TORQX Orbital Polisher features a powerful motor capable of producing speeds up to 7,800 RPMs while maintaining smooth operation thanks to its dual-action mechanism that minimizes heat buildup on surfaces being polished, ideal for preventing damage during prolonged use sessions. This model includes variable speed settings allowing users complete control over their detailing process. Whether you're applying wax or removing deep scratches from paintwork, you'll find just what you need here. Plus, it's compatible with most standard backing plates and pads available today, so swapping out components couldn't be easier. Ergonomically speaking, the TORQX feels great in hand due largely thanks again towards thoughtful design choices made by engineers at Chemical Guys HQ. Soft touch grips provide comfort even after hours spent working tirelessly away under hot sun rays or garage lights. And weighing only about 5 pounds total weight-wise means less strain placed upon wrists, arms throughout day-long projects too. With all these benefits combined together into one package, it's no wonder why so many professionals trust BUF503X when needing reliable tools capable handling toughest jobs imaginable or simply maintaining pristine conditions already achieved previously via other methods, tools used beforehand, like clay bars, etc. Taking the third spot on our list is the DEWALT Buffer Polisher DWP849X, a professional-grade rotary polisher that combines power, precision, and durability. Designed for demanding applications, this polisher is a favorite among seasoned detailers and professionals who require reliable performance for heavy-duty tasks. One of the standout features of the DEWALT DWP849X is its 12-amp motor, which delivers consistent power and performance even under load. This robust motor is complemented by an electronic module that maintains the specified speed during operation, ensuring a smooth and even finish. The variable speed dial allows users to adjust speeds from 0 to 600 RPM for delicate tasks or up to 3,500 RPM for aggressive polishing, making it versatile enough for a wide range of applications. The soft start feature is another highlight of this polisher. It ensures a smooth ramp-up in speed, reducing product sling and giving users greater control when starting a job. This feature, combined with the Controlled Finishing System (CFS), helps achieve high-quality results while minimizing the risk of surface damage. Ergonomics are also a key focus of the DEWALT DWP849X. It comes with a 3-position bail handle and a traditional straight side handle, offering multiple gripping options for enhanced comfort and control during extended use. The rear handle is ergonomically sculpted with a rubber overmold to reduce fatigue and improve grip. Additionally, the tool's weight of just 6.5 pounds makes it easy to maneuver without compromising on stability. 2. Makita 9237C 7-inch Polisher. The Makita 9237C 7-inch polisher is a powerhouse tool designed for professional detailers, marine enthusiasts, and stone polishers. This rotary polisher is built to handle even the toughest jobs, making it a go-to choice for those who demand performance and durability. Its standout features include consistent power delivery, variable speed control, and advanced durability enhancements. One of the key features of the Makita 9237C is its variable speed dial and trigger, which allow users to match the speed to their specific application. The soft start function ensures smooth operation, minimizing product sling and providing greater control during use. This feature is particularly useful for loading pads with polish without creating a mess. The polisher's constant speed control is engineered to maintain consistent speed even under load, ensuring reliable performance on various surfaces. Whether you're working on automotive clear coats, stone surfaces, or marine finishes, this tool delivers exceptional results. The rubberized loop handle adds comfort and protects delicate surfaces from accidental damage. Durability is another hallmark of the Makita 9237C. It features a wire mesh intake cover to prevent debris like wool fibers from entering the motor, enhancing its longevity. Additionally, its robust construction ensures that it can withstand heavy-duty use in professional settings. At the top of our list is the Meguiar's Professional MT300DA Polisher, a dual-action polisher that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. This tool is ideal for both beginners and professionals looking for precision, versatility, and ease of use in their detailing arsenal. One of the most impressive features of the MT300 is its digital torque management (DTM) system. This innovative technology adjusts torque automatically when downward pressure is applied, maintaining consistent speed levels even under load. This ensures smooth operation and optimal results on curved surfaces or challenging contours. The MT300 offers a wide speed range of 3,000 to 7,500 orbits per minute (OPM), making it suitable for compounding, polishing, and waxing tasks on various surfaces. Its 8mm throw provides excellent balance between coverage and precision, allowing users to achieve professional-grade results without risking damage to delicate finishes. Ergonomics play a significant role in the MT300's appeal. It features a lightweight design and a multi-position D-handle that enhances comfort and control during extended use. The thumb-adjustable speed dial allows users to fine-tune settings without interrupting their workflow, while its smooth operation minimizes vibrations that could lead to fatigue. There you have it, folks, our top 7 best car polisher. If you have any question, feel free to comment below.